You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm cold. We'll get back up here in the heat.
Top of our ladder. We're going to be around 29 degrees. Okay, so this is good height for us to reach the top of the thing.
You got enough tape measure? Yeah. What did you say it was?
193 and a quarter. So we need to go to use something?
Yeah. Reinforce.
Reinforce it. Breathe in.
One more right there just in case. Bam.
That was pretty heavy.
Yeah. It's a big. This is a big one. Big boy. Ooh. Okay. We're gonna flip her down.
Okay, we're in right here.
Alright, there it went.
That's it. That's solid there. Solid there. Good underneath. It's the only thing about doing this. So one person's got to keep clean hands. Nice. She's going.
Hey, the red come real clean.
Our next thing that we do, you hold the letter.
See?
Come on up with it and tilt it how you're gonna put it on. Okay, hang on. Very good. Yeah, that's it.
I like that. Trying to get it out of the way there.